Hello, you're welcome to the Naija kitchen. We're making fried meat stew today. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Thanks. The ingredients will be listed in the description box as always. I realized I didn't have scotch bonnet just before I started recording. That's why I'm using dried chili peppers in this video. We will start by seasoning and cooking the meat. While the meat is cooking, I cleaned and blended the peppers. I prefer my fried stew quite textured, but you can go ahead and blend your peppers as smoothly as you prefer. I've gone on to fry the cooked meats off camera. We'll fry the onions lightly in cooking oil. Then we'll add tomato paste, stir in and let it fry. Add the blended peppers, mix and let fry. It's time to add the broth. Add seasonings and spices to taste while the stew is still frying. Add less seasoning if you added broth like I did. Once all the oil has risen to the surface, add the fried meats and stir in to absorb the flavors of the stew. By the way, I was craving yam pottage, so I decided to make some to enjoy with my beef stew. I made the pottage in this video plain because my son doesn't like smoked fish and the likes. If you have subscribed and already support this channel, I want to say thank you. And if you haven't, we're hoping you'll join us. Remember to like, share, and leave constructive suggestions in the comment section too. Thank you for watching.